Hello and welcome in Learn Concept Through Questions by Test Yourself. So this is Manufacturing Technology Demo Lecture, and the question we are having is that the determine the maximum possible reduction for cold rolling of a 200 thick slab when roll diameter they have given 400 mm and coefficient of friction 0.1 mm. So before doing this type of questions, we will see what are the possible questions they can create from these questions, and what are the concept behind this. So we will not do the derivation part. We will work on the directly derivated questions, derivated formula, and we will work for that. Okay, so for this type of questions we need to understand the rolling process. So this is basically cold rolling process of thick slab. So suppose before doing this question, we will see the concepts behind this. So suppose this is we have this is a thick slab, and the thickness of this thick slab is h1. Okay, so if we will do the rolling on this thick slab, we will get a slab with greater length, but this height will reduce. So this is h2, because this is deformation process, and in this process volume always constant. Okay, so we will get larger length, but the thickness will be reduced. So we will try to understand by this schematic diagram of rolling. So suppose we are having a rolling we are having rolling mill, and the rolls of those mills are, this is the rolls. Okay, so I am trying to draw here. So this is circular, so this is this same, these rolls will be of same uh, radius. So okay, so this is r, basically this is r, and this is center point. Okay, so suppose we will this is entrance point, and we will enter our slab to for rolling from this side. Okay, and this will reduce, and this will come as like this. Okay, so this thickness was initially h1, and now this is h2. So what we will do, we will try to understand every point for this type of question. Okay, so suppose this is a center point. We are having this radius of roll L is equals to r. So the angle between the entrance point and the roll center is equals to alpha. So this angle is alpha, and this length is known as contact length. Okay, so for now we will see the possible questions they can ask from this type of question. So the first question they can ask, first question may be related to the maximum possible reduction. So this is maximum possible reduction. Okay, so this is also known as delta H. They can ask this question in exam. The next question they can ask is minimum possible reduction. Okay, so minimum possible reduction. So this is also one question they can ask. So this is the most famous question in gate metallurgy. Every year they ask this question, and this is very simple questions, but most of us do silly mistakes because of the values. That is, we don't know we have to take thickness, or we have to take diameter, or what to do with this coefficient of frictions. Okay, so the next question may be angle of bite. So I already told this angle from the angle between the entrance plane and the center line of the rolls is called the angle of contact or angle of bite. So we can say this is this the third question may be asked, that is angle of bite. Okay, so this angle of bite is also known as bite angle. Okay, or this is also known as contact angle. So we can say this is contact angle also. And the next question they can ask from this type of questions, that is contact of length, or this is also known as length of contact. Okay, this is contact length, and this is length of contact. Okay, so these four type of questions may be asked through from this topic. Okay, so first question, that is maximum possible reduction. How we can find maximum possible reduction? So we know this maximum possible reduction delta H is equals to mu square multiplied by R. Okay, so this delta H is equals to mu square into R. So this delta H is equals to maximum possible reduction or draft. Okay, so we also say this delta H is equals to draft. So this delta H is basically this delta H is also is equals to H1 minus H2, because we already seen that this is the H1 height and this is H2 height. So we will subtract this H1 from this H2 from H1. Okay, so this value will be is equals to delta H, and this mu is equals to coefficient of friction. So this is friction coefficient, and this R is equals to roll radius. So this R is equals to roll radius. Okay, so this is the one formula we can apply for calculating the maximum possible reduction. So the next one is minimum possible reduction. How we will calculate the minimum possible reduction? We will see this example, but now we will see the formula only. So this delta H is equals to H1 minus H2. So most of the questions they will give H1 value, and this is the maximum possible reduction. So minimum possible reduction will be this H2. This H2 value is minimum possible reduction. Okay, minimum possible reduction. So they will also ask about the number of passes. So this will maybe in single pass, maybe in maximum possible reduction. Okay, so this H2 is minimum possible reduction. So this is the second type of question. This is the third type of question, this angle of bite. So how we can calculate this angle of bite? This tan alpha is equals to under root of delta H by R, and this is one way of calculation of angle of bite. If they will give delta H and R, if they will not give the mu value, that is coefficient of friction, if they will give the mu value, what we will do, this delta H we can replace by mu square into R. So how we will find this value, delta H is equals to mu square into R by R. So R cancel, and this will come as mu value. Okay, so this tan alpha will also equals to mu. So if they will give the mu, we will directly calculate from mu value. If they will not give mu, we will apply this formula delta H by R, and we will find angle of bite, that is alpha. And this tan alpha is not angle of bite, this alpha is angle of bite. So most of the time people do mistakes. They find the value of tan alpha and they write that answer. They don't find the alpha value. Okay, we will see the example of this type of question. Okay, so the fourth one is, if we will calculate by this way, and by this way the angle of bite will be will be same. Okay, so you can try and you can find whether it is same or not. Okay, in case of problem you can contact us regarding this issue. Okay, so the next thing is contact of length. So contact of length or length of contact, we can contact length or length of the contact we can calculate by using the formula, that is LC. This is also known as LC. This LC is equals to delta H into R. So there is a derivation for this type of calculations from this figure, but we are not doing the derivation of this part because that is not necessary for GATE exam. And the necessary things I have already told, that how to calculate the values of maximum possible reduction, minimum possible reduction, angle of bite or contact length or length of the contact. Okay, so these four formula is very important. The first one is delta H is equals to mu square into R. This is famous formula for GATE metallurgy. They ask one question in every year. Okay, and this is the calculation for minimum possible reduction, and this third one is the tan alpha is equals to delta H by R under root, and this tan alpha is equals to mu. So this is also very important in GATE 2020. They ask the question that is angle of bite or bite angle or contact angle, to find the contact angle. Okay, and this fourth one is contact length. Okay, so this LC is equals to delta H into R. So anyhow, if they will give the values of mu roll radius, we can find maximum of these things. Okay, so don't make the silly mistakes for this type of questions. Just write the values and do the easy calculations. Okay, so this was a concept. Now we will see this question, how to solve this question, and I will involve these all examples for this question. So the question is, already I have read that question, and we will write the given data in this type of question. Don't make silly mistakes. For avoiding silly mistakes, we need to write the given data first. Okay, so this is the way of doing numerical. We need to write the given data. So we will read line by line, and we will write the given data. So this is 200 mm thick slab. So initially this is h1 is given, that is 200 mm. And when roll diameter, they have given roll diameter. So this is roll diameter, they have given 400 mm. And we can find the radius of roll, that is capital R or small r, no matter, this is, we can write capital R. So this is 200 mm. Okay, so this is the radius, roll radius. And mu value is also given, so we will write the mu value is 0.1. Okay, so the first question is, they are asking in this first question that maximum possible reduction. So I have already told the formula, that is delta H is equals to mu square into R. Okay, so this delta H is maximum possible reduction in per pass or in single pass. So this delta H will be equals to 0.1 square multiplied by R, that is 200 mm. So we can calculate this delta H as 2 mm. Okay, so this was the first type of question from this question. In this question we have to only find this question, but we will this answer, but we will see every possible questions. Okay, so the next question they can ask, that is minimum possible reduction. So for finding minimum possible reduction, I already told the formula, delta H is equals to h1 minus h2. So for this question we know this delta H is equals to 2, and this h1 value is 200 mm, and this 200 mm minus h2. So we can find this value. This value will be h2 is equals to 198 mm. So this is the minimum possible reduction. So we can reduce more than this. The minimum possible reduction means we can reduce more than this thickness. Okay, and maximum reduction means we can not reduce this slab more than 2 mm. Okay, so this is the meaning of that maximum possible reduction and minimum possible reduction. The third type of question, that was like that. This is third question. So they will ask the contact length. They will ask to find the contact length. So we can easily calculate contact length now, because I already told you the formula. So this LC will be equals to R multiplied by delta H. So this R we know, this is roll radius, and this delta H we already calculated. So from here we can put the value. So this value will be under root of 400. So this value will be 20 mm. So the contact length we find to 20 mm. And the next question is angle of bite or bite angle. So angle of bite, how we can calculate angle of bite? So we know this value is the alpha. So how we will calculate? We know directly mu value in this question. So we can directly calculate from this 10 alpha is equals to mu, that will be equals to 10 alpha is equals to 0.1, and alpha will be equals to 5.71, sorry, 73 degrees in degrees. Okay, and one other way of calculation is, I already told you that we can do this also for this type of question. So that this will be 10 alpha is equals to delta H by R. So if we will put this value delta H we have already calculated in first part. So we will put delta H equals to R2, and this R roll radius is already equals to 200. Okay, so this 10 alpha will again equals to 0.1, that mu value. So we can say that by both the ways we will get same angle of bite. So the angle of bite that alpha will come for this question is 5.73 degrees. So these four type of questions are possible from this type of concepts. Okay, and many more other concepts, like we have to find the torque, we have to find the force, but that is not important for gate aspects. For gate, they can maximum ask the maximum possible reduction, angle of bite, contact length, or minimum reduction. So they have already asked the question from maximum reduction many times. They have asked the in 2020 angle of bite, and they did not ask the contact length anytime, and they did not ask minimum possible reduction. So maybe in future they can ask this type of question from this topic. So we should be ready for all type of concepts. So this learn concept through questions will improve your ability to do numerical problems and the theoretical problems. Also we will do the theoretical problems from this learn concept through questions. Thank you.